In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work with layers in Canva. If you've ever wondered why one element covers another, or how to place text neatly on top of an image, layers are the key. Think of layers like transparent sheets stacked on top of each other. Everything you see on your design sits on a layer. And the order of those layers determines what's visible in front or behind. First, open your design in Canva so you are in the main editor. Make sure you can see the canvas and the top toolbar. We'll start with the position panel, which gives you a clear overview of your stacking order. Click to select any element. This could be text, an image, or a shape. With that element selected, click the position button in the top toolbar. In the panel that appears, make sure you are on the Layers tab. Here, you'll see every element in your design represented as stacked blocks, with the topmost block sitting visually in front on your canvas. To change which element appears in front or behind, simply click and drag a layer up or down in this list. As you drag, watch the canvas update in real time so you can see the impact immediately. If an important element feels buried or hidden behind something else, drag its layer upward. If something is overpowering your composition, drop its layer below the elements that should sit in front. This method is especially helpful when you have many elements and want precise control without guessing. Now, let's look at the quick method using the right-click menu. On your canvas, right-click the element you want to move. Hover over Layer to open the options. Choose Bring Forward to move that element up one layer at a time, or Bring to Front to leapfrog everything and place it at the very top. Similarly, choose Send Backward to move it down one layer, or Send to Back to place it at the very bottom of the stack. Use these when you know exactly where you want something relative to others and don't need the full panel open. That's all it too. Thanks for watching.